Welcome back again, children. This is your new video of the same topic, same chapter, which we have discussed in the first video about the photography. After the photography, we shall discuss about literature. What type of literature flourished during the British colony in India? Let's carry forward. In 1800, Fort William College was established in Calcutta to train the administrators of the East India Company in the language of India. This is very true. This college is very renowned. Today also this college is there in Kolkata. It was established by British ruler. The main aim of this college was to train the British administrators to teach them Indian language. Why? Because they were absolutely unknown from the Indian language, that is especially Hindi. The rest of the languages were also in India, which were very popular. They were Sanskrit, Arabic, Persian, Hindustani, Bengali, Tamil, Marathi and Kannada. These languages were also very much important for them to understand because all the administrative tasks were done in the regional as well as the Indian language. They were these languages. Establishment of the printing press was an important development in the history of development of literature in India during the colonial period. Very true. Printing press was established importantly for the development in the Indian language, which was very remarkable establishment by the British in India. The process of lithography or the method of printing on a smooth surface invented by Alois Schellenfelder in 1798 revolutionized the process of printing all over the world. The lithographic press was brought to India in the year 1825 with the establishment of the Asiatic lithographic press in Calcutta. Later, Calcutta emerged as a major publishing center, producing books on a variety of subjects. Growth of literature. The development of the printing press had a significant impact on the development of Indian literature. The Fort William College began its activities with translation of the Hitopadesha, Panchtantra and other popular Sanskrit works in Indian vernaculars. Vernacular means होता है देसी भाषा. फोर्ट विलियम कॉलेज जो शुरू हुआ कलकत्ता में, इसमें जो हिपोदेशा था, पंचतंत्रा था और अदर पॉपुलर संस्कृत वर्क्स जो इंडियन वर्नाकुलर लैंग्वेज में देशी भाषा में जो ट्रांसलेट किए गए, दीज बुक्स वेयर वेल रिसीव्ड बाय द रीडर्स, दो द रीडरशिप वाज क्वाइट लिमिटेड ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड. जबकि इनको ट्रांसलेट किया गया और जो रीडर्स थे उनके द्वारा रिसीव किया गया, लेकिन जो रीडरशिप था, जो पढ़ाई थी इसकी, ये बहुत ही लिमिटेड थी इस पीरियड में. द लिटरेचर ऑफ द 19th century differed from traditional Indian literature in terms of the themes. Earlier the literature revolved around religion, whereas later social issues, life of the common man and the freedom struggle were the major themes. All these things were mentioned there in their learning. तो कंक्लूजन में हम कह सकते हैं इसको कि इनका मेन एम था, जो भी कॉलेज और स्कूल को इन्होंने इस्टेब्लिश किया भारत में, वो वर्नाकुलर लैंग्वेज को जानना, यहाँ की जो भी और भाषाएं, जो क्षेत्रीय भाषाएं थीं, उसको जानना, ताकि जो भी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव वर्क इनके हैं वो आसानी से उनके द्वारा किया जा सके। दैट्स ऑल।